Learn Arabic future tense. I will do.
سأفعل.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to power up your Arabic? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the future tense of to do in Arabic, with jokes, rhythm, and quick wins. By the end, you'll confidently use I will do.
سأفعل.
You, SG, will do.
ستفعل.
He will do.
سيفعل.
She will do.
هي ستفعل.
It will do, good enough.
سيفعل.
We will do.
سوف نفعل.
You, plural, will do.
سوف تفعلون.
They will do.
سوف يفعلون.
Let's go. Your goal today. In the next few minutes, you'll speak these forms out loud with me, no stress, just progress. Say each person clearly. I, you, singular, he, she, it, we, you, plural, they. Hear the future markers sa and safa, and know when each appears. Use them in funny, real-life lines so they stick. Beat the forms. Clap a steady beat. Do, you've got this. I read English, you shout Arabic after me. I will do.
سأفعل.
You, singular, will do.
ستفعل.
He will do.
سيفعل.
She will do.
هي ستفعل.
It will do, good enough.
سيفعل.
We will do.
سوف نفعل.
You, plural, will do.
سوف تفعلون.
They will do.
سوف يفعلون.
Mini dialogue, office comedy. Listen in, your team is planning a presentation. Repeat the Arabic parts after me. A. Can you handle the slides? B. Yes, I promise.
سأفعل.
A. Great. Omar said he'll fix the charts. B. Perfect.
سيفعل.
A. And Sarah? B. Relax.
هي ستفعل.
The timing. A. This rough sketch for the demo. B. For tonight.
سيفعل.
A. Team, can we finish by 5? B. Yes.
سوف نفعل.
Coach, to the group, don't worry.
سوف تفعلون.
An awesome job. Boss, if we need backup, the partners said.
سوف يفعلون.
Extra testing. To one teammate, and you, tomorrow you will run the Q&A.
ستفعل.
Right? Quick drills. Echo me fast, English, then Arabic. Keep your mouth relaxed and your rhythm steady. I will do.
سأفعل.
You, SG, will do.
ستفعل.
He will do.
سيفعل.
She will do.
هي ستفعل.
It will do.
سيفعل.
We will do.
سوف نفعل.
You, plural, will do.
سوف تفعلون.
They will do.
سوف يفعلون.
Culture tip. Sa versus Safa. Tiny words, big power. Here's how native speakers feel them. Arabic often marks the future with the short prefix sa, or the word safa. Both mean will, but safa can sound a bit more formal or slightly more distant in time. Hear it. We will do. Short form.
سنفعل.
Versus fuller.
سوف نفعل.
You, SG, will do.
ستفعل.
They will do.
سوف يفعلون.
Use either comfortably and match the vibe of the situation. Lightning quiz. Answer out loud. I'll confirm right after the pause. Q. Arabic for he will do. A.
سيفعل.
Q. Arabic for we will do. A.
سوف نفعل.
Q. Arabic for you, plural, will do. A.
سوف تفعلون.
Q. Arabic for I will do. A.
سأفعل.
Q. Quick approval meaning it will do. A.
سيفعل.
Challenge mode. Speed round. Say each line in Arabic before I do. Ready? Tomorrow, you, SG, will do the homework.
ستفعل.
Don't worry, she will do it.
هي ستفعل.
For tonight, the quick fix will do.
سيفعل.
We will do our best.
سوف نفعل.
They will do the demo tomorrow.
سوف يفعلون.
Wrap up and thanks. Nice work, you owned the future tense today. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing your forms.
سأفعل. ستفعل. سيفعل. هي ستفعل. سيفعل. سوف نفعل. سوف تفعلون. سوف يفعلون.
And you'll sound more natural every day. For more lessons, games, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.